Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, I bring you this rather fun little story complete with a video of the wife of the vice president of Malawi dropping a diss track, a rap track against her political opponents. The complete with body popping and all these breakdancing moves and everything. So now we have seen it all. So now imagine the spectacle of Dolapo Shibanjo dropping this track against Peter Obi's wife. This is what is going on in Malawi. So I bring you this. Wife of Malawi's vice president releases rap music and video to campaign for her husband, and it's going viral. So what does it say? The wife of the vice president of Malawi has released a rap song to campaign for her husband, and it has taken the internet by storm. I'm not going to attempt her name. Mary Chilmana Chilima, I think her name is, whose husband, Salios Chilima, is the current vice president and also contesting to be the next president of the country, released the song in a bid to influence the Malawian youth to vote for UTM party in the upcoming elections. About 70% of the country's population is under the age of 30, and Chilima is hopeful that her new song will boost the voter turnout on the 21st of May. And here is the music video here.
Madam Mary Chilima, there's this song by Physics, Mutipata, talking directly to politicians, asking them what they intend to do for young people. As a mother and a potential First Lady of Malawi. Mutipata!
Tonse tikutiwa kuti Chilima ndi usi anabadwira momuno anavepanso momuno onse mabe anagwira konkuno ndipo akudziwa mavuto anziko muno njala ntendasiwa pano zili ponseponse ndipo chomwe tikusowa pano ndi nzeru za Mose atitsogolere tigwirane manja tonse ndikuyambiranso kutukula dziko lathu lonse ikakhala sports osachita kuchula mukudziwa kale kuti mpira amatha kugula achinyamata aluso tipula ngati achinyamata aluso tipula mukufuna ntchito tikupatsani mukufuna business tikupatsani Amalawi voterani UTM Amalawi voterani UTM mukufuna chitukuko tikupatsani mukufuna chitetezo tikupatsani Amalawi voterani UTM Amalawi voterani UTM 5 years imene itapunzira zambiri samene boma lathu lililili through the reforms ose amazitsata koma chomwe chimasowa ndi mpata chomwe tipange chaka choyamba kuthetsa katangale kuchotsa mbava kuthetsa quota system nepotism presidential powers tidzapanga trim 40 billion anthu a business boma lililonse mega farms and factories tikatelo million jobs takwanitsa abungwa onse tagwetsa mukufuna ntchito tikupatsani mukufuna business tikupatsani Amalawi voterani UTM Amalawi voterani UTM mukufuna chitukuko tikupatsani mukufuna chitetezo tikupatsani Amalawi voterani UTM Amalawi voterani UTM mumafuna kuti abange resign aziulula zakatangale ndani akalankhula zinthu zimachitika kuposa olalikira ajamani palibenso ena angakonze fast Chilima ndi usi ndikenge kumalas voting UTM sono it's a must for chitukuko choti chidzapanga last pa 21 May vote kabange cast osalubwalubwa just put us to the test ena wandi mafana kachongeni the best SKC in the deal he puts Malawi first
Achinyamata takulupira togolo latu lafika
mukufuna ntchito tikupatsani mukufuna business tikupatsani
Amalawi voterani UTM Amalawi voterani UTM
mukufuna chitukuko tikupatsani mukufuna chitetezo tikupatsani
Amalawi voterani UTM Amalawi voterani UTM
ku UTM ife timazindikira kuti chuma cha Malawi chakunena pa maphunziro komanso upangiri wa chinyamata. Ife tikufuna kuti okonda sukulu aphunzire, opanga business atukuke, amaluso apadera nawo apeze mpata opindula ndi luso lawo. Nduna yanu ya chinyamata ndine ndemwe ndipo tisakhale ndi nkhawa tisachedwe. Voterani UTM ndipo posachedwa.
Surprisingly, Chilima's music video was well received and is now going viral. Some have suggested that she will succeed if she follows a career as an entertainer. So there you have it. That is what passes as campaigning in Malawi. A fun little thing. The wife of the vice president, the current vice president, and the presidential candidate for the party UTM is now body popping and break dancing and dropping diss tracks against her political opponents. So over to you, Dolapo Shibajo. Would we like to see this in the Nigerian political scene, with the Nigerian politicians dropping diss tracks against each other? I, for one, would like to see Dolapo Shibajo in jeans and a face cap back to front, dropping diss tracks against Peter Obi's wife, and Peter Obi's wife dropping a diss track against Dolapo Shibajo, rather. That would be a rather fun thing. So now, what says you? Diss tracks in the political scene. That is the topic of discussion for this video. Just a fun little thing, nothing to be taken too seriously. Conversations in the comment section as usual. But before you come join me to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell button as well. That way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then let's have this fun chat in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section. But here I say peace.